Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and Simple Art and Craft. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos. Today in this video I am going to share with you Father's Day DIY ideas. So I am taking a matchbox and a white page. I am drawing a line and cut it out. Now paste them together using glue. I am using a black art paper. I am folding it. Now I will cut the middle of the paper and I will wrap up two sides. I am using glue to paste the paper. Now I am using red velvet paper. I am using little bit of black art paper. Now I am making a paper bow. I paste it using glue. I am taking a whitener and draw over it. This time I took a white page. Now fold it. I am using glue. So guys, my Father's Day DIY is ready now. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.